Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel R3 on the go. So today is 16th of May and I am starting with my Chikmagalur trip. So this trip again I am doing with my mom and this is a 2-day trip and so this is the first vlog which I will be putting in my brand new channel, that is R3 on the go. And as some of you know that previously I was putting my vlogs in the R3's Travelog channel, but that got terminated due to some reason. So here I am with I have started my new channel, that is R3 on the go, and I will be uploading my further videos in this channel only. So Chikmagalur trip I am again doing with the KSTTC bus, and as per the itinerary, like today I will be going to we will start with the Yagachi Dam and then we will go to the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Tomorrow we will be going to the rest of the places like Mulyangiri Peak and all. So let's go. So right now our bus have stopped us on the way in this restaurant, so where we will be having our breakfast, and this is just a 30 minutes halt, and further having our breakfast we will be heading towards the Yagachi Dam. So we have started our journey today at 6 a.m. in the morning, and the distance from Bangalore to Chikmagalur is almost 250 kilometers, which will take nearly 4 hours of time. So right now we are at a place in the middle by, and still it's 129 kilometers away from the Yagachi Dam. এটা কি করছো তুমি? So after traveling for almost 5 hours, right now it's 11:30 a.m. in the morning, and we have reached our first tourist spot of the day, that is the Halebedu temple. So this temple I have visited previously as well 2 years back, and it is one of the temples that was built during the Hoysala dynasty, and it is also a well-known UNESCO World Heritage Site. So these are some of the ruins of the temple which is being excavated from the temple area. And when we asked the guard, they told that they will be putting all these ruins, and they will be building another premise of the temple in this area.
ಫೋಟೋ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್
ಶಿವ ಯಾರು ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲರೇ ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ
So right now behind me we are standing at the Yagachi Dam. So right now we have reached the Yagachi water sports area, but since it is raining heavily right now and the weather is very cloudy, the boating has been stopped for now. This is some amusement park in the Yagachi river, and that is the area to hire the banana boat ride and all.
Nothing more than that.
This place is so tranquil, so peaceful. Very nice place.
So after doing the
is,
speedboat ride in the
Belur
Yagachi
Chennakeshava
Dam
temple.
and having our lunch in the Mayura Hotel, so we have came here around 4 p.m. and this is the last spot for the day. And again, I'm
came
visiting
here
this Chennakeshava temple of Belur.
After the
Previously, also in
ride.
2024, I have came here with my mom and we have done our mother-daughter trip. And this is our second time.
the thrilling
And once again,
speedboat ride.
it's my luck that I am coming here for the second
So
time.
thrilling and exciting. Enjoyed a lot. This is the temple, main temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This is the temple premises. So big. This is the Gopuram. Big Gopuram. I came here earlier but again God gives chance.
है ना? Structure.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಂಚೇಳಿ ಬರೋ ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹ್ಞೂ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ഇവിടെ ನೋಡಿ കണ്ട ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് ഇത് ഉള്ളില്ല ഇതാ
है தமிழ்நாடு சவுத் இந்தியாவுக்கு இதுக்கு சம்மந்தமே இல்லாத மாதிரி
ஆமா இல்லம்மா ஒவ்வொருவோட இந்தியாவோட
அதே மாதிரி
হ্যাঁ
Hey guys, hello everyone, good morning. So this is our day 2 from Chikmagalur and today we have started at 7 a.m. in morning. So right now we had our breakfast right at the hotel which is opposite to me, and now I will be boarding the jeep for the Mulyangiri Peak trek. So yeah, today will be the very adventurous day and let's go. কেমন লাগছে? দারুণ দারুণ লাগছে না এই এক্সপেরিয়েন্সটা? আবার কুড়িয়েও হয়েছিল জিপ সাফারি, এটা সেকেন্ড জিপ সাফারি। দারুণ মজা হচ্ছে।
চলো বলো বলো।
আজকে তো এবার আমরা মুলিয়াঙ্গিরি পিক থেকে যাচ্ছি জিপে করে, আর পুরো দিনই এরপর জিপে ঘোরা হবে, আরো অনেক ট্রেকিং আর ভিউ পয়েন্ট দেখাবে। ভালোই তো। এরা মার্কেটে নিয়ে যাবে না, একটু কিনতে হবে, মশলা কিনতে হবে। বলবো যে নিয়ে চলুন। এখানে ওই এলাচ, লবঙ্গ, দারচিনি, এগুলো গরম মশলা, পেপার, এগুলো পাওয়া যায় ভালো। So after a thrilling and a very adventurous as well as scary jeep ride, now we came to Mulyangiri Peak and we will have to, this is a 2-kilometer trek and we will have to climb these stairs. So yeah, let's go.
Now we came at Mulyangiri Hill. This is the hill. And here is stairs. This is the background.
এসেছে।
Now
अरे बाप रे, वो बहुत स्पीडे चलेছে।
দুটো গাছ লাগানো আছে এগুলো তো পর্যন্ত নেই।
দাঁড়াও। So this was a 2-day trip to Chikmagalur through the KSTDC bus, and now we have completed our trip. So hope you have liked my video, and yeah, like, share and subscribe to my channel Arithri on the Go. Thank you.